Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick 1-minute tutorial. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to block a bidder on eBay. A specific user on eBay just prevents them from being able to bid on your auctions, buy now, contact you, everything. All right, everyone, we're currently on my PC, so you're going to want to, of course, head to ebay.com and make sure you're logged into the account you wish to block the specific buyer with. Once you're logged in, select My eBay and select the Summary tab here. Once that opens up, you're going to want to select Account. Once that opens up, you're going to go to the right under Account Preferences, select Permissions. Then head down here to the Selling tab, select that. A little drop-down menu appears, and you're going to want to head down to Selling Preferences. Once that opens up, scroll down to see a Your Buyers section, and you should see a blocked buyer list. Select the Edit button, and the block buyer list appears. Now you can block up to 5,000 members. All you have to do is enter in their username and then select this submit button. If you want to enter more than one username, you can. You just have to separate it with a comma. So I'll give you an example here. I'm currently selling an active battery on eBay. It's at $1,000, and there's these two users here that are bidding against each other. They both have zero feedback and both have created an account in the last couple days. I know they're not going to end up purchasing, and it's a big waste of time. So I'm going to select this guy, right-click, go down to copy, head back up here to the block buyers list, right-click, paste. That's his username. I'm going to select comma because I'm going to enter in this other guy, right-click. And what this will do is remove these guys from any active listing, and they will not be able to bid anymore or anything. So once you have them in your blocked buyers list, select submit. And as you can see, we are greeted with this success thing. You can, of course, remove these guys if you would like to later. But that's all there is to adding blocked buyers on your eBay listings. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button. We'll see you in the next video.